Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sensodyne is probably one of the most popular toothpaste choices for people with sensitive teeth, offering effective relief from pain and discomfort caused by hot, cold, sweet, or acidic foods and drinks. In this video, we will explore Sensodyne's features, benefits, and overall effectiveness, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your sensitive teeth. Number 5. Sensodyne Repair and Protect Whitening. This toothpaste is specially designed to whiten your teeth while providing sensitivity relief. It's from the #1 dentist-recommended brand for sensitive teeth. It gently builds a protective layer within your teeth, shielding sensitive areas from triggers. This provides lasting protection against sensitivity. This toothpaste effectively whitens your teeth while protecting them from sensitivity. Enjoy a brighter, healthier smile without the worry of discomfort. With twice daily brushing, it offers lasting protection against sensitivity. You can confidently enjoy your favorite foods and drinks. It contains an ingredient clinically proven to relieve sensitivity and provide lasting protection. Experience the Sensodyne difference. Get the brighter, healthier smile you deserve, without sensitivity worries. Choose Sensodyne Repair and Protect Whitening. What we like. It's a whitening toothpaste that also protects sensitive teeth and prevents cavities. If you're looking for a brighter smile without compromising on sensitivity relief, this is the one for you. It's perfect if you want to improve your smile's appearance while maintaining healthy teeth and gums. What people say. My teeth were hurting, very sensitive, went to the dentist pretty much like a crybaby, and this is what he recommended. It instantly started working. By this you won't regret it. Of course, make sure that there's nothing else wrong, but if you just have sensitive teeth, this is a great product. My dentist recommended me this brand of toothpaste as I have moderate sensitivity in all of my back molar teeth. The functionality of this toothpaste is very good, as I can enjoy hot and cold foods again without worrying about teeth pain. The whitening effect is also great, keeping my teeth white. This product keeps up the freshness and cleanness of my teeth. For one thing, it wasn't abrasive on my teeth like other toothpastes, and it didn't irritate them, so it doesn't hurt from irritation when I use it. Another point is that it leaves your teeth squeaky clean like you have just come from the dentist, and your breath is fresh as an ocean breeze. The whitening capabilities of this toothpaste are nothing short of amazing, and I noticed a difference after the very first week. Number 4. Sensodyne Pronamel Repair Toothpaste. Introducing Sensodyne Pronamel, the intensive enamel repair toothpaste designed to strengthen and protect your teeth. It's the perfect solution for sensitive teeth. It's formulated to reharden and strengthen your enamel, protecting against the damage caused by everyday acids. This helps to rebuild enamel strength and prevent further sensitivity. This toothpaste inhibits demineralization, meaning it helps to prevent the loss of essential minerals from your enamel. This keeps your teeth strong and healthy. It also repairs microdamage to your enamel, helping to restore its protective layer. This helps prevent cavities and sensitivity. Experience lasting relief from sensitivity and enjoy the extra fresh feeling it leaves behind. It's the perfect way to keep your smile healthy and confident. It protects against cavities and the erosion caused by acidic foods and drinks. This helps maintain the health of your teeth and gums. With fluoride to protect against cavities, it's a complete solution for healthy, strong teeth. It's the perfect addition to your oral care routine. Get 3 3.4-ounce tubes of Sensodyne Pronamel, providing long-lasting protection for your sensitive teeth. It's a convenient and economical way to maintain optimal oral health. What we like. This toothpaste focuses on repairing and strengthening enamel. If you have enamel issues or are prone to sensitivity, this product will help rebuild your enamel and protect against further damage. It's ideal for those seeking long-term enamel health and sensitivity relief. What people say. The toothpaste is incredibly effective at repairing and strengthening enamel, which is crucial for maintaining healthy teeth. I have noticed a significant improvement in the sensitivity of my teeth, and I am confident that this toothpaste is helping to protect my teeth from further damage. Unlike abrasive whitening toothpastes, this formulation adds protective barrier minerals back to vulnerable, exposed sections on my teeth prone to sensitivity. The Novamin ingredient rebuilds the enamel's crystal surface from the inside out, permanently sealing off those painful holes without harsh bleaching chemicals. After just a few days of use, I noticed significantly less sharp zings when eating or drinking cold and hot foods. Even air currents lost their sting. Best of all, my smile continues looking noticeably brighter each day as the mineral-rich formula does its gradual whitening and protective strengthening magic. Number 3. Sensodyne Extra Whitening Toothpaste. Experience the Sensodyne difference. It's the gentle whitening solution for sensitive teeth, providing a brighter smile without the discomfort. This toothpaste gently polishes away surface stains, revealing a whiter smile. At the same time, it provides 24-hour sensitivity protection. It creates a protective layer around your teeth's nerves, offering lasting relief from sensitivity throughout the day and night. With fluoride, it actively fights cavities while leaving your breath feeling fresh and clean. It's the complete oral care solution. It's specially formulated to reduce tartar buildup, resulting in cleaner, smoother teeth and a healthier mouth. Get the brighter, healthier smile you've always wanted with Sensodyne Extra Whitening. It's the perfect blend of whitening and sensitivity protection. What we like? For a whiter smile and sensitivity relief, this option is perfect. It gently whitens your teeth while providing lasting sensitivity protection. If you desire a brighter, cleaner smile without the sensitivity, this is the best choice for you. What people say. From the moment I squeezed that creamy goodness onto my toothbrush, I could feel the gentle yet effective relief it provided. No more sharp twinges or cringing like a wimp when enjoying an ice cream cone. Sensodyne Extra Whitening has come to the rescue, gradually erasing those stubborn stains without compromising my sensitivity needs. It's been given the seal of approval by the American Dental Association, assuring me that I'm using a product that's been thoroughly vetted by the pros. Number 2. Sensodyne Pronamel Fresh Breath Toothpaste. For sensitive teeth, it's more than just a toothpaste, it's a solution. It's designed to strengthen and protect your enamel, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and clean. It helps to reharden and strengthen your enamel, making your teeth healthier and more resistant to sensitivity. This is achieved by helping deliver fluoride and minerals into the enamel. It provides daily fluoride protection for cavities. This means you're getting comprehensive care for your teeth with every brushing. It's specially formulated to leave your breath feeling fresh and clean throughout the day. Enjoy the confidence of a healthy, fresh smile. Does sensitivity keep you from enjoying your favorite foods and drinks? It helps relieve the pain associated with sensitive teeth, so you can smile without worry. Make it your daily oral care partner. Experience the difference of stronger, healthier teeth and a fresh, confident smile. What we like? This one strengthens enamel and freshens breath, all while soothing sensitive teeth. If you prioritize enamel health and fresh breath, along with sensitivity relief, this product is your best bet. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive oral care solution. What people say. It has made toothbrushing much more comfortable and tastes good, too. It's low on the tooth abrasive scale, so it will not scratch your veneers or the enamel off your natural teeth. To add, it works perfect for sensitivity. It doesn't just mask sensitivity, it actively strengthens enamel, gradually reducing discomfort. I can finally enjoy hot and cold foods without wincing. Number 1. Sensodyne Fresh Mint Toothpaste. Introducing Sensodyne Fresh Mint Toothpaste. It's specially formulated to provide lasting relief from sensitive teeth while effectively preventing cavities. This toothpaste is ADA accepted, meaning it meets their standards for cavity prevention. You can trust it to keep your teeth healthy. It works deep within the tooth to calm sensitive nerves, providing long-lasting comfort with every brush. Enjoy the refreshing taste of Sensodyne Fresh Mint. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh all day long. This convenient 2-pack ensures you'll always have it on hand for twice daily brushing. Stock up and maintain healthy teeth. With Sensodyne Fresh Mint, you get both effective cavity protection and soothing relief for sensitive teeth. Get the smile you deserve. What we like? It provides lasting sensitivity relief and cavity protection, with a fresh mint flavor. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution for sensitive teeth and cavity prevention, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who want a reliable and refreshing toothpaste. What people say. The formula is gentle yet effective, and I feel noticeably less discomfort when eating or drinking hot and cold foods. It has the best mint flavor of any toothpaste I've ever used too. It does not contain a known cancer-causing ingredient SLS or known as sodium lauryl sulfate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.